Hey guys, Mercy here, and today I'm making a brand new Minecraft video, and it's just a simple survival world tour. So here, I have my horse, and a structure over here my friend built. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, but yeah. And right here I have my storage. I have 10 diamonds right now. I have 10 emeralds, and my storage is just really messy. I'll probably mess with it around after this. So I have a blast furnace surrounded by a bunch of other furnaces, 2 crafting tables, a brewing stand, and an anvil. I have my cat Gibbles right here, my enchanting place. I have my 2 beds with glowstone under. Right here I have my automatic cactus farm since I live so far away from a desert. And they just break off when they go to the iron bars, and then they go through the hopper and into the chest. Here is my nether portal, which I'll show you guys later. This is my farm back here. I'm currently growing pumpkins, and yeah. This is my automatic sugarcane farm, and it's pretty simple. It just senses when the sugarcane go up to 3 blocks high, and the pistons will push it down into the hopper. Over here is my village, like where I breed my villagers, and they despawned because I went to the nether and didn't sleep, and they died. As you can see, there's none in here. This is my automatic melon farm over here, because a melon takes 1 block to grow. And yeah, I will just push the piston off and into there. If you guys want me to start a new Minecraft Survival World series and make a new world, I can do that for you. Just comment, like the video if you want that. Okay, so we're going to the nether now. Now that we're at the nether, we can go down to where my tunnel is, and this just goes on for a while. I can go down and go across this path to just get to the actual nether. So now, I'm going to be showing you guys my mine. All I do is usually I swim under my house a little bit, because I just do that, I don't know why. There's a random horse. And if I come down, you can see my strip mine, which goes all the way through here, and it's too long to show you guys. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. See you in the next one. Peace.